What's up, everybody? Android here. So yeah, like Apple and Qualcomm, Huawei has its own chipsets, but they does not have the facilities to actually manufacture them. That's because all of the big tech companies relies on the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, aka TSMC, which is the world's largest independent foundry to manufacture their chipsets. But for Huawei, it seems like there could be another problem coming on the way. So that's because, as you know, Huawei is considered as a national security threat due to the US ban. So for this reason, they cannot access anything made from the US. Even though they are unable to license Google mobile services, Huawei's latest phones have been unable to run Google's core Android apps such as Play Store, Gmail, Search, Maps, Drive, etc. That doesn't matter much inside of China, where most Google apps are banned anyway, but it does impact sales of its international units. Well, to fight back, Huawei's new flagship P40 line uses Huawei's mobile services, which include the manufacturer's own app gallery storefront. So despite having the ban, Huawei still managed to grow handset shipments, and it delivered approximately 240 million units last year to surpass Apple and became the second largest smartphone manufacturer in the world. Well, now it seems like that probably didn't make US President Donald Trump happy, so that's why he's making difficulties for Huawei. Well, that's because TSMC could be blocked from the US if they further supply chipsets to Huawei, and that's a big loss. So what can Huawei do? No chipsets, no phones. Well, I got a good news for you guys. Huawei is trying to slowly shift chips production from TSMC to Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation, aka SMIC, which is the largest foundry in China. I know it will be difficult for Huawei, but the more chip production Huawei moves over to SMIC, the less it has to worry about the US tightening the screws on it. However, SMIC is not nearly as cutting edge as TSMC, so Huawei won't be able to move production of its most integral chips inside China just yet. Well, I know this is again a difficult time for Huawei, but I know they will take some time and they will show the world that they are living a US-free life. Well, what do you think about it? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.